Hello everyone. So now I'm going to teach about JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Before going to create our first code, we need to learn this basic concept like how to run our program technically. So first concept is JVM. Now why we are saying that Java is platform independent? Because that JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which executes our program, that is the software which is built up with the most of the OS operating system like Windows, Linux and Mac. So we called Java is platform independent. Without JVM, we cannot execute our code. Or if JVM is not available with the OS, then you cannot run Java program. JVM executes Java code but not accept code directly, and it is only work on bytecode. Now we will first understand what is bytecode and how that process for executing our program. So another concept is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So we will see that this concept also. Now, how our code is running. See here, user creates a code which understand only user, because machine doesn't understand that code or whatever the language written in that code, it is not machine understandable. So JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, only understand the bytecode. Bytecode means it is in the form of 0 1. 0 1 are the bits. So JVM only understand bytecode. Now when we have written that code, then it is not understandable or it is not machine understandable. So we need one compiler which converts human readable format code into the bytecode. So we have one compiler for Java, that is Java C. So this is the compiler Java C. Now JVM always it is a built-up function with the OS operating system, whatever that operating system will be there like Windows, Mac or Linux. So like this, we can execute or what is the that is the internal process behind executing Java program. Now, if we want to run our program, then Java Virtual Machine only understand bytecode and it is machine independent. It is machine independent. So we need some libraries, and in JRE, Java Runtime Environment, it provides libraries and files. Through that JVM plus libraries, we can run our program. Okay, so now we will see how to write the program. Java has one feature, Java Shell. So if we want to just experiment without going to create Java project, so we can take here in terminal Java Shell.